Hello everyone, and welcome back to Lovely's Crafting Lodge. I just have a quick share here today. This was the first project I ever made, the first thing I ever made. It doesn't have a name. It might have a name, I don't know what it is. I didn't use a tutorial or anything like that, but after watching countless hours of videos, I just felt this strong urge that it had reached that point, the culmination. I had to create something. So this is what I created. I just used what I had. I had some washi tape, some paper, some scrapbook paper. I actually had a punch. So I just kind of went with it. I tore up some book page and inked it, did some stamping, made this bookmark, journal card type thing, some dictionary page. Over here I used my punch and then filled it into the back with lined paper, and it's actually a pocket. So you can put things in there if you would like. Here's some graph paper with a little bit of stamping and inking, already coffee dyed. And this is from a cookbook. It's a kebab stick. Did a little bit of stamping on that. Punched this out with stamp and then stamped it and put some washi stickers on it. And that's really all I did. So I'm sharing this with you because whatever you make doesn't have to be a journal. It doesn't have to be anything huge or extravagant. It could just be a little piece of paper with a couple little scraps. And it actually doesn't even have to be a paper craft. It could be anything that you're interested in or think you might be interested in, that you've ever had a hankering towards, that you maybe want to give a shot. I really encourage you to just go out and create whatever it is, with food, woodworking, whatever it is. Just get out there and create. And I really look forward to talking to you all soon, seeing you in the comments, maybe on one of my lives. And until then, enjoy creating, and then I'll see you soon back here at Lovely's Crafting Lodge.